to another episode of Xan Talk Show. Today we are going to do Svalboard, this fantastic keyboard, okay? Fantastic input device, advanced. If you are here, say hi. Hello, Crystal. Ching, thank you. And if you are watching offline, feel free to skip around because I ramble a lot. If you are expecting this to be a perfect introduction representation, with quality photos and videos, this is not it probably, because I ramble a lot, okay? So today I'm just going to explore this fantastic device. I'm going to set it up, try to plug it in for the first time. It's being delayed for long. If you want the introduction, you can watch my previous video about 5 months ago. It's on my YouTube. Just search for Svalboard. Okay. Ching Crystal, thank you. So Svalboard, okay. So we're gonna try to set it up today. Let me do a little introduction. So this is like advanced input device. So you got two pieces, and let me just show you. So each finger you have these 5 keys: 1, 2, 3, 4, north, south, left, right, and also you can press the key down. Now this, okay, I don't have great videos, but maybe you can see. Okay, so and optionally you also get a trackball or trackpoint. So this is mouse, and for the thumb it's special. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 keys, plus you can press it down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you press it down you can hold it like, then it becomes a click. So you got 6 triggers basically for the thumb. So I think this is a fantastic device that I will be using down the road for years to come. So, but the issue is that you have to spend some time to learn it, about a month or 2. I would suppose 2 months or 3 months to become really fluent. And there's a lot of possibilities. So let me explain about the hardware a bit more. So each of these key is magnetic device, magnetic switch, meaning that once you dislodge the magnet, there's no resistance. So it's better than any mechanical switch, such as spring-based mechanical switch, such as Cherry MX. And each of these pieces you can actually take it out. So you just pull it off. You just pull it off, each and every one of these. So you see, you just pull it off, and when you pull it off, you can see this thing, this wedge. They have, so there's a magnet or iron. I don't know, it's a magnet, but anyway, that's a like magnetic part. You cannot see it too clearly. My lousy camera. So anyway, so each of these are swappable. It's like swappable keyboard. I mean swappable socket. So you can change these so they become thicker, and allows you to, so you don't have to move your fingers so much. So it's customizable. So when you buy it from the guy, on my website, or just search for Svalboard, Svalboard, you'll find the guy's website. You can tell him, what kind of customization you like. I think so. But anyway, today I'm just going to try to plug this in for the first time and play with it. Okay. So do you guys have enough views or any questions? It's a, you can ask me. So this is Svalboard. I'm gonna plug in for the first time. So you see on the back, you got each component got 2 USB-C. Okay, so one goes to the computer, the other goes to the other device. Same thing for the left. So you would have one extra empty port. So they also included cables for me. So let's see, USB-C, so I will need, so let me just plug it in, okay? And this keyboard, so let me go back to the screen. This keyboard is using the most advanced software to program it. It's programmable, so you can, you can change each one of these key press to be any layout you want. Vorak, QWERTY, of course they are not the standard keyboards, but similar. For example, like if you press the northern key, they are like the upper row. If you press the southern key, they are like the lower row. And if you just press it down, they are like the middle row. So similar to like standard keyboard. Yeah, but still you take some time to learn. And also, okay, so let me switch back. Also, so north side is the top row, south side is the bottom row, but all these left and right, they do special things, and so each one of them can be programmed. And the way you program it is using the most advanced. I know because I've tried it. I've tried, because several other keyboards I have used that software. So the most advanced software called VIA. Okay, let me. So you program it via this VIA software. Download it free. It's open source, and it's fantastic. Okay, so let me just try to plug it in and see how it goes. I already downloaded the latest VIA version, but I never plugged it in before. So this is, I'm gonna try it. So this is how it looks like. Wait. Yeah, so you can see in the VIA software. Let's just plug it in, okay? If you can time travel to year 2000, would you sell your younger self to learn Svalboard or Datahand so as to prevent long-term RSI? Any other advice you would say? That's a hypothetical question. If I travel back to year 2K, this device, this particular one is not around yet, but you do have the Datahand, but that cost you $3,000 back then. Okay, so if you mean I can get it for free, then maybe. Okay, but yeah, why maybe? Because this thing takes some time to learn, and then you cannot, it's a weird device, right? So if you can use it at home, but at work, you may not carry it around or things like that. But anyway, my opinion is that this would be, I think, because I haven't used it long time yet, it would be a great device. But for the average person, if I travel back 20 years ago, I know what's to prevent RSI, just get linear switches. That's it. Okay, linear light switches. That's the most important thing, and also several programming habits. Anyway, let's not talk about that because today I want to focus on getting this set up. So let's go to my. So I already downloaded VIA. So let's turn it on. Let's open it. Can you see? Okay, so VIA is up. Now there's no device. So no device detected. So I need to plug it in. So USB-A to USB-C. So let me just do that. Can you see? You cannot quite see, but anyway, this is just. Okay, so I need so this is very nice. Let me explain. I'm just gonna go slowly, okay, for those of you. So this one side is a USB-A, the other side is magnetic, and the twistable head. You see, very nice cable. Clausen gave it to me. So you got 3 magnetic heads. So the one, one is for Apple devices, one is for USB-C, the other one is USB, the previous version, the USB, I don't know what's that, micro plug or something. So I want the USB-C here, magnetic, so just attach it on. Okay, wait, so there it is. So, okay, so let's do that. Okay, I need to find a hole. Okay, so I need a hole, but so first of all, I need to turn off, I need to unplug my Glove 80. But if I do that, I don't have the main keyboard. So first of all, I need to turn on Bluetooth, then unplug the Glove 80 because Glove 80 can use Bluetooth. Okay, so now this goes to the hole. And now the other side goes to the, you can plug it into either part, but if you have a mouse pointer on the right hand side, you want to plug to the mouse pointer part. So yeah. Fantastic. Okay, so the other plug that needs to go between them, so they are also USB-C. That's right, so that's this one, USB-C, and the head needs to be USB-C. So you're gonna pick out this one. There it is. Okay, so fantastic. Fantastic. So now I have it plugged in. Okay, so let's adjust this so you can see kind of like that. So how do I know? Oh, there's a light. I don't know if you can see, but there's a light there, so it is plugged in. Fantastic. Okay, so now I just need to, let's see if the Vial software detects it. Keyboards, let's go to keyboards. Gabriel, hey Gabriel. So let me check the answers, I mean the questions later, but let's go to the Vial software. So no device detected, so refresh, okay, refresh. Okay, so maybe restart Vial. Can you guys see? Okay, no. So go back here. So restart Vial. No device detected. Oh, okay. So let's see. So system dock. In order to fully apply the theme, you should restart the application. Okay, I don't care. Keyboard layout. Okay, so Okay, so let's close this file. Let's try the old version of file. Okay, so no device detected. Connect a file compatible device and press refresh. Okay, maybe I should bug close and Livang, hi Livang, hi Gabriel. So a lot of questions. My hair is beautiful. Okay, so let's focus on this. So why does it say no device compatible device detected? Shouldn't be. So let's make sure I plugged in the right place. So this is to PC. That's right. And the light is on. And this is to the other part. Okay. Oh, okay, I connected wrong, so this gotta go there. Okay. That's why. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. You see, this is a magnetic plug, so so that's why it's kind of stuck there. Okay, I need to get a tweezers. Oh, it's so easy. So this needs to go over here. Yeah. Then I just snap it on. Too many cables I have here. Okay, so put my glasses back. So now what do we do? Now let's try to run file. So lights on. Let's try to run file. Okay, no device. So no device detected. Connect a file compatible device and press refresh. Okay, let's try refresh. Or select file download via definitions in order to enable support for via keyboards. Okay, download via definitions. Okay, download file, download via definitions. Okay, let's try refresh. Didn't say anything. Let's see, download via definitions. Do it. Okay, refresh, nothing happens. Close via. Let's open it again. No device detected. Okay, what's going on? This font is pretty small, so it cannot be enlarged. That's too bad. Refresh. Okay, no device detected. Now let's try, being a software engineer, so you kind of know, you just have to try lots of things. So this goes to the PC, yes. Oh, I forgot. You have to, you don't even have to unplug it because this is magnetic. You just snap it off Right, so this is to PC. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now it's connected. Now there's a light. I take it off. The light is still on, but if I unplug here, the light is off. Okay, so we are doing this methodologically, logically, one step by step. We'll find. Okay, now it's good. Now I hear Windows making a USB sound. That looks good. Okay, now let's start while again. Do it. Ah, beautiful. Can you guys see it? Fantastic. Okay, actually now we can actually type with this keyboard. Shall we try it? Okay, so you see, can you guys see it clearly? This, can you magnify this? And I don't really want to press anything. Can you guys see this? Fantastic. So now we can actually type with this keyboard. There it is, Svalboard, okay? And let's try to type it. So let's open, let's not use Emacs, let's stick with the Notepad 101, okay? So delete, how do you do delete? I forgot. So let's say Q, Q, W, QW, okay? You have to be careful not pressing other keys. Can you guys see me? Yeah, so can you see QW? Let's see, is this delete? No, that's enter. Now what is this? Space. Oh, enter, space, delete. Oh, delete is this. Fantastic. They are so like fantastic, beautiful. So Q, okay, you need to enter Q, W, E, R, T. Oh, T is I forgot. I don't know where is T. Let's see. Oh, T is that. Okay, so T is, let's see, enter Q, W, E, R, T. Fantastic. And the right hand side, there it is, U, I, O, P. Okay, it takes some use to, you see. So let's how am I doing? Do you guys see it? So you see, fantastic. Oh, then there's a pressing down. Okay, so let's try pressing the key down. And so this is enter. So let's press the key down. Let's put the hand in a position. So A, S, D, F. Oh, fantastic. A, S, D, F, space. Then this J, K, L, semicolon, enter. Fantastic. Okay, now what is a delete? Oh, this. Okay, now I can actually, fantastic. Yeah, so far my impression is just fantastic so far. Let's see the down row, the bottom row. X, so enter X, Z, X, C, V, and how do you type the other one? ZXCV, B. So where is B? B, oh, okay, B is the ring finger, push that way. Okay, enter. Then the right hand ring finger. Oh, this is closing the document. Do you want to save? So you see, no, I don't want to save. So no is N. How do you type N? Now QWERTY N is the right pointing finger downwards. Okay, so no, wait, is that N? So let's check. Let's be careful here. Go here. where is QWERTY N? Oh, okay, it's right. So so that's right. So you have to press that key. So it's a ring finger. The ring finger left side. Do it. Do it. Okay. But maybe you can just press N. Can you actually just press N? Let's try. Oh, because I'm on. Wait, am I on USO Vorak? Okay, so wait, let's try N here. N. Okay, N doesn't work because you have to press. Normally is Control N, right? Let's try this. Control N. Wait, N actually should work. Anyway, I don't know what. So let's try the mouse pointer. Oh, fantastic! The mouse pointer works. Can you see? Oh, fuck, you guys cannot see. Okay, so. Fantastic. You can see the mouse pointers work. This is the. What's this called? The. Pointer stick. No, the IBM red dot. That's called. What is it called? I forgot. But anyway, this is fantastic. So I actually, for the first time, I got this set up to work. I mean, trying this for the first time, it works. So far, the impression is pretty good. Yeah, so you just have to learn it. So there's also the Windows key, the Shift key. Fantastic. Okay, let me answer the questions, and maybe that's it for today. So if you guys have questions for me, ask about this keyboard, okay? Trackpoint, that's the word. Yeah, thank you, Jeff. Trackpoint, yeah, IBM, famous from the IBM ThinkPad since 1990s. Okay, let me answer the questions. Ching, thank you, Chris. Hello, your hair looks beautiful. Fantastic. If you can time travel, okay, so Gabriel says the bad thing about Ergo keyboards, macro pads, function keys is that every program has its own shortcuts. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, when you are on standard keyboard like this, then everything, where things are. But when you have like ergonomic keyboard like me, I have so many, so each one is different. You have to look up the manuals, especially when they print it, especially when you customize your keyboard. For example, usually you do. For example, on this Glove 80, I have some macro keypad. So, but after a while, if you haven't been using it for 3 months, because maybe you are using another one, then you come back, you forgot where the keys are. So and if you haven't written it down somewhere, then it's pretty bad. Then you have to reprogram, like typically things like that. So Lavon says use Vim bindings. They exist for browser and IDEs, which is where the majority of your time will be spent, presumably. Well, Vim binding is one of the choice, or you can use Xafly keys, which is superior than Vim bindings, to be honest, because I made it. Xafly keys, okay, if you don't know, you can search for it. But then it's not available for the browser stuff. I don't use Vim bindings or anything. Okay, I think there was a project to enable Vim bindings within Windows. Okay, so I'm gonna buy Svalboard one day. Okay, seemed worthy investment. Yes, I think. Yeah. So my impression so far is just great. I have to be careful. Actually, I don't want to press the keys. It's doing something. What is that? Okay, now I need to press Escape. Okay, so left hand, ring finger, push left. Okay, there. Oh, okay. So is not a big fan of Vim. Yeah. So Glove 80 slowly will be displaced. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I got a new Glove 80, so I'm gonna show you guys next, down the road in pretty soon. New switches. So about shortcuts, yeah. So this keyboard, this Svalboard, I looked at it, right? I've been having, so I think this fantastic because now you have so many great possibilities for macro keys and programming the keys to do copy paste or whatever. Like for example, I use as I use this ultimate hacking keyboard here as my macro keypad. So I got 60 function keys. When I want to this, you need them because previous tab, next tab, for example. Can I show it here? Yeah. So previous tab, next tab, close full screen, or close the current tab, open the last closed tab by mistake if next window, previous window, volume, switch keyboard layout. I gotta be careful because I switched to Chinese or Vorak. I don't know what I'm doing, especially. So back to English layout. So and this key is for switching windows, and this one. So backward windows, forward window. So I got 60 macro keys there, but with the Svalboard, you can then you don't need. I think you don't need even a macro pad because you really do have a lot of possibilities. Especially with the VR software. The VR software is basically very powerful. It's a fork from QMK, I think. Okay, and no, the VR software is a user interface to the QMK firmware, so it makes it much easier to program the keys, and you can program combo keys and tap dance, which means you press a key to activate a layer. Then you can type something, for example, numbers, then press it again, it revert back or something like that, or you can hold it down. So you have all these possibilities. So you see QMK settings, key override, so I used it before for my expos. You are not seeing my screen. So, so back to the screen. So I use it for so you got the macro keys here, 20, 25 and more. 27, M35, M41, like 50, something macro keys. So VR software is just a fantastic user interface to the QMK firmware, which is the most powerful firmware for programmable keyboard, and both are open source. So with this Svalboard, I can imagine there's just gonna be a lot of potential. Okay, I think that's it for today. Any other questions? If you have questions, tag me, okay? Tag me, and that's it for today. Inner port should be connected. Outer port go to the PC. No, not technically. No, that's not true. So that's why I got confused for a moment. I don't know if the current version, has changed, but let's go back to the Svalboard. So you can see the Svalboard, they there's a manual, and you can see over here, you see normally on a keyboard, normally the inner two ports are connect to each other, but that's not the case for Svalboard. In the case of Svalboard, they are left right, so they are like copied over. So So on one part of the keyboard, the inner one is connect to the other piece, but on the other piece it's the outer one that connects to the other piece. So it's like that. So that's a bit, that's why I got confused. I plugged it wrong before. So but I don't know if they changed it. Maybe they changed it. But you see there's a picture indication. You can see there's a little picture they actually show you, but my camera is not so good, so maybe you cannot see. You see there's a picture. This picture means connect to, this picture means connect to the other part. You see the other picture means connect to PC. Yeah, there. Okay, you have to use software solution like your software keys. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Yeah, I think that's, yeah. So I'm gonna play with this maybe half an hour a day. Then I'll let you guys know how it goes. And I'm gonna have a lot to do with this, because right now by default it's using QWERTY layout. You see, this is getting a deep territory. So as you guys may know, I study a lot keyboard layout efficiency. Okay, let me just digress. We're closing down in 3 minutes. Okay, so you go through my website, keyboards, for example. Here's all my keyboards. I have all these keyboards, and so one of the things I studied is the keyboard layout efficiency. So you go to layout, so you can see ergonomic layouts. So magnify, so you can see you got QWERTY, Vorak, Comac, and let's go switch to QWERTY, and you can see the bigger the circle means that letter is more used. In this case it's English. You can switch to Spanish or German. Let's go back to English, or you can switch to Chinese pinyin on QWERTY layout, or pick Vorak. So let's go back to QWERTY and let's go back to English. So this is for a normal keyboard. So for a normal keyboard, you want the most frequent keys on the home row, right? But that's not, and also the top row is usually considered easier than the bottom row on the normal keyboard when you press it down. But that's not the case for the Svalboard. For the Svalboard, I don't know for sure yet, but it seems like pushing it down, like the claw motion, like grabbing something, is more convenient than going outward. So when you want to design an efficient layout for this Svalboard, it's gonna take a while. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just try to learn the QWERTY layout, or I don't know. You see, I need to think about it, because on one hand, I'm a Vorak typer, so you might think that I might change to Vorak so they are compatible, but maybe not, because they are entirely different muscle memory. So maybe on this I should use QWERTY. But however, I know for sure that QWERTY is not very efficient. I mean, it doesn't matter which device. QWERTY is just not efficient. Especially QWERTY, the left hand, the top row is you use often, so that's not the best for the Svalboard. So I probably will, I don't know. So I have to try. So okay, that's it for this video. So for this Svalboard. Yeah, lots, very interesting. I would enjoy to study this and I'll have to try and try as I go. I wonder what putting steno codes. Yeah, that's another very interesting possibility I've thought about, because this, yeah, I don't know how well that works. I imagine it works very, very well, because this I think it also supports more than 6 simultaneous keys. Yeah, and yeah. Anyway, so we'll have to see. Bye, guys.